Filipino superlative adjectives. In Filipino, superlative adjectives are used to describe the highest degree or quality of something compared to others. These adjectives indicate that someone or something is the most or best among others. In Filipino, superlative adjectives are typically formed in two ways. The first one is using pinaka. This is the most common way to form the superlative. The prefix pinaka is added before the root adjective. So we have the word maganda, it means beautiful. And to say most beautiful, we add the word pinaka, so it becomes pinakamaganda. Another way to form the superlative degree of Filipino adjective is using napaka. This is used to emphasize the extreme quality of the adjective but does not always compare directly with others. So like we say matalino, you can say or it becomes napakatalino or very intelligent. Let us have the following example sentences. Siya ang pinakamataas sa klase. That means he or she is the tallest in the class. Mataas means tall or high. Pinakamataas is the tallest and then klase, that's class. So siya ang pinakamataas sa klase. Ang Mount Everest ang pinakamataas na bundok sa mundo. So Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. So mataas, like what we mentioned earlier, and then bundok, that's a mountain, and then mundo is the world. So ang Mount Everest ang pinakamataas na bundok sa mundo. Si Jose ang pinakamatalino sa grupo. So when we say matalino, that's intelligent. Pinakamatalino is the most intelligent or the smartest, and then grupo is group. So Jose is the smartest in the group. Si Jose ang pinakamatalino sa grupo. Ito ang pinakamasarap na pagkain na natikman ko. So this is the most delicious food I've tasted. So masarap, that's delicious. Pinakamasarap is the most delicious. And then pagkain is food, natikman is tasted. So ito ang pinakamasarap na pagkain na natikman ko. Si Maria ang pinakamasipag sa aming lahat. So Maria is the most hardworking among all of us. So masipag is hardworking. Pinakamasipag is most hardworking. Lahat is like all, like everyone. Aming lahat, like all of us. So si Maria ang pinakamasipag sa aming lahat. Another one is ang aso niya ang pinakamabait sa lahat. His or her dog is the kindest of all. So an aso is a dog, and then mabait is kind. Pinakamabait is the kindest, and then lahat is like everyone. So like of all. So ang aso niya ang pinakamabait sa lahat. Ito ang pinakamahal na damit sa tindahan. This is the most expensive dress in the store. So mahal is expensive, pinakamahal is most expensive, mas mahal is more expensive, and then damit is a dress or clothing, and then a tindahan is a store. So ito ang pinakamahal na damit sa tindahan. Si Lolo ang pinakamatanda sa pamilya. Grandpa is the oldest in the family. Matanda is old, pinakamatanda is oldest, mas matanda is older, and then pamilya is family. So si Lolo ang pinakamatanda sa pamilya. Ang Pilipinas ang may pinakamagandang mga isla. So the Philippines has the most beautiful islands. Maganda, that means pretty or beautiful. Pinakamaganda is most beautiful. And then mas maganda is more beautiful. An isla is an island. So ang Pilipinas ang may pinakamagandang mga isla. Si Ana ang pinakamasayahin sa aming magkakaibigan. So Ana is the happiest among our friends. So masaya, that means happy. Masayahin is like a happy person. Yeah, kind of like refers to a person. Pinakamasayahin, and then kaibigan is a friend, magkakaibigan is like friends, group of friends. So si Ana ang pinakamasayahin sa aming magkakaibigan. And that is all about this video regarding the Filipino superlative adjectives. Maraming salamat and see you in the next video.